everyone, and welcome to our ADC Asia Congress 2026 Speaker Interview Series. I'm Lara, a Senior Portfolio Specialist at IMAPAC and a Conference Producer for ADC Asia Congress 2026. This exclusive interview series is part of our lead up to the main conference taking place on 11 to 12 March at SANS Expo and Convention Center, Singapore. Today, I'm truly delighted to be joined by Dr. Jun Hu for this featured conversation. A little bit of introduction with Dr. Hu. Dr. Hu currently serves as the head of the Client Enabling Center of Excellence and Singapore Site Management at WuXi XDC. He leads a diversified and high performing team, including project managers and business development professionals to enable global partner success across a wide range of bioconjugate programs. He is also spearheading the construction and operational management of WuXi XDC's new manufacturing site in Tua, Singapore, an important milestone in strengthening global bioconjugate manufacturing capacity. With nearly 15 years of comprehensive industry experience spanning process development, GMP manufacturing, CMC management, business development, operational excellence, and team leadership, Dr. Hu brings deep expertise to the ADC space. Prior to joining WuXi Biologics and WuXi XDC, he worked at Takeda Pharmaceutical Company in Japan, focusing on process development and clinical GMP manufacturing. Dr. Hu, thank you very much for joining us as a speaker at the ADC Asia Congress 2026. We're very excited to gain your perspective on the evolving ADC landscape and the valuable insight you will be sharing with our audience this upcoming March. So let's begin the conversation. So, Dr. Hu, we know that CMC plays a critical role in transitioning drugs from discovery to clinical development and ultimately commercialization, covering the entire life cycle of drug development. Given the structural complexity of antibody drug conjugates, ADCs face far greater CMC challenges than traditional biologics. So from your experience, what are the core CMC challenges in ADC development?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Laura, for the introduction. Yeah, I fully agree. Yeah, CMC is truly a critical factor for ADC development, especially as programs advance into the later stage development and commercial manufacturing. So first, ADCs are inherently, complex bioconjugates, requiring a significantly more sophisticated development approaches than traditional, antibodies, right? So for example, mAb intermediates, ADC drug substance and the drug product all need specialized formulation, strategies. Most commonly lyophilized formulation for the final ADC-DP, as you might know. So beyond this, the multiple layered complexity of the ADC significantly, elevates the challenges in the later stage process optimization and risk assessment, analytical control, and compliance with, increasingly stringent, global GMP standards. So these elements are critical to ensure the process robustness, consistency, and also quality at commercial scale. And importantly, these challenges actually are highly interconnected, and become amplified, during the scale up. This makes a systematic, integrated, and a scalable, CMC strategy essential for the successfully advancing the ADCs from late stage development to commercialization. And developers must also balance, the timelines, cost control, and also the supply reliability for the commercial launch, and without compromising, of the quality. So all of this makes CMC a truly challenge for the ADC development, especially for the commercialization. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Dr. Hu. So, given this increasing complexity of ADC CMC challenges, so from your perspective, what are the WuXi XDC's core strengths and targeted solution as a leading global bioconjugate CRDMO?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for recognition. it's honored, for me to share our core value. We actually have won the best CDMO, 3 years continuously, in the World ADC. And we have actually fully integrated end-to-end CRDMO platform. So in terms of service type, we can provide the discovery and process development and manufacturing services. And in terms of the modalities, we cover the mAb intermediate and payload linker and bioconjugates DS and DP. So we consolidate the entire ADC value chain into a one-stop solution, significantly reducing the development risks, timelines, and also the costs. So this integrated approach, we can accelerate late stage, for example, ADC development to BLA submissions as short as 24 months. Yeah. So furthermore, we offer enhanced manufacturing flexibility, supply chain resilience, and also reliable commercial launch supply. By a concept of the global dual sourcing strategy. So we are expanding our capacity, manufacturing capacity, both domestically and also overseas to meet the high demand of the commercial manufacturing. Yeah. Our new Singapore site, undoubtedly, undoubtedly plays a key role for this strategy, for this global dual sourcing strategy. Yeah. So together, these strengths is position us, WuXi XDC, as a trusted long-term partner for advancing ADC programs to commercialization.
Dr. Hu, you mentioned the new Singapore facility as part of the WuXi XDC's global dual sourcing strategy, right? Could you share the latest progress on this matter?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, as the head of the Singapore site management, I'm honored to share some of the recent updates of the site. As a core pillar of the WuXi XDC's global dual sourcing strategy, the new Singapore facility is progressing smoothly. Mechanical completion was achieved in June 2025, and the site is on track to soon become GMP operational this year. So built using the modular construction technology, the facility offers integrated manufacturing capabilities, covering the antibody intermediates, drug substance, and drug products, supporting the programs from clinical through to commercial stages. So it all not only significantly expands, our global manufacturing capacity, but also serves as a strategic hub and to support the needs of the global clients, ensuring the reliable supply and also consistent and high quality delivery of the ADC products. Now we have actually already received a strong interest and project inquiries, from multiple clients globally, reflecting, the market's confidence in our new facility here in Singapore. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Dr. Hu. So, with the Singapore site launching soon, this is certainly an exciting milestone. So, at the upcoming ADC Asia Congress this March, so I would like to know what are the key insight and practical takes away can attendees expect from your presentation?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, ADC and Asia Congress is an excellent platform, for industry exchange, and we truly value the opportunity to engage industry leaders and share perspectives on the latest trends and also real-world challenges in the ADC development. In my presentation, I will focus, on late-stage ADC development and some of the practical, solutions we have developed to address common CMC and manufacturing pain points. So I will also share the insights into the production synergy enabled by our global dual sourcing strategy, highlight some of the strategy positioning and the core advantages of our new Singapore manufacturing facility, and also explain how our fully integrated CRDMO capabilities and global production network could work together, to effectively support late stage development and commercialization. Yeah. We hope that through this exchange, we can collaborate with industry leaders to accelerate the delivery of the safe and also effective ADC therapies, to patients, and contributing to the continued advancement of the global bioconjugate industry. Yeah.
Dr. Hu, thank you once again for sharing your insight with us today. For our audience watching, be sure to join us at the ADC Asia Congress 2026 this March in Singapore to hear Dr. Hu's full session and engage in deeper discussion with industry leaders shaping the future of ADC. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.